In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in on Capcut. By the end, you'll know exactly how to zoom in for both your timeline view and your actual video, so you can edit with precision and get the framing you want. First, open your browser and head to capcut.com. Once the editor loads, start a fresh project by selecting Create New. This gives you a clean workspace and brings you into the main editing interface where you'll see the canvas, the media panel, and the timeline. Before importing anything, set your project's aspect ratio. Click on ratio and choose the format that matches where your video will be posted. For example, 9:16 works great for vertical platforms, 16:9 is ideal for YouTube, and 1:1 is a classic square. Choosing the right ratio up front prevents unwanted black bars and saves you from reframing later. Now bring in your footage. You can click to upload and select your file from your computer, or simply drag your video from your library into the editor. After it imports, Capcut places your clip in the media area and onto the timeline, and you'll see it on the canvas preview. Let's talk about two kinds of zoom, because they do different things. The first is timeline zoom. Look near your timeline for the zoom controls, typically represented by plus and minus icons. Use these to zoom in to see frame-level detail or zoom out to view your entire sequence. This type of zoom doesn't change how your video looks, it only changes how closely you're viewing the timeline, so you can cut, trim, and align precisely. The second is your actual video zoom, which adjusts how large the video appears in the canvas. Above the preview, you'll find the zoom or scale control for resizing. Increase the scale to zoom in on your subject and decrease it to zoom out. If part of the video falls outside the frame after scaling, click and drag the image in the preview to reposition it. Aim to keep key details centered and avoid cropping important areas. A quick tip: zooming too far into low-resolution footage can make it look soft or pixelated, so watch the preview as you adjust and stop when quality starts to drop. To recap, set your ratio first so your canvas matches your target platform, import your video, use timeline zoom for editing precision, and use the canvas zoom or scale control to resize the video itself. That's all you need to confidently zoom in on Capcut.